we have 3 slots inside of this array. This array contains 3 separate, distinct values. They're all of type string. We know they're all of type string because we told the computer that they're of type string. You can have an array of any type, but they must be homogeneous in that every single item has to be the same type. You can't have a string array and then stuff integers into it. That doesn't make any sense. So what we have right here is, all right, so we have our string and it contains 3 slots, but how do we access these 3 slots? Well, we can do that with the index operator. So if I went ahead and did names, remember, names is the name of the variable. So we have names. We use the index operator, which is square brackets followed by a number to reference a value inside of the array. That's like saying, okay, I want the post office box at this post office with this particular address. We're uniquely identifying the second value inside of this array by placing a 1 inside of square brackets. Now, what can we do once we've indexed an array? Well, once we index an array, it turns into whatever item we're pointing at. Meaning I can say names1 equals test. Then I can say write names at 1 at 1. And what do we get printed out? We get test.